My name's Mark Murphy. I am sometimes better known as Commonsware. That's the name of my firm. And that I am, a one-man shop. People ask how big my company is. I say, yeah, I'm about 5'10". And that the focus is on, educating Android developers, and that whether it is through books like the Busy Coder's Guide to Android Development, training, providing answers for questions out in support boards like Stack Overflow and the like, and that my job is to help get Android developers up the learning curve faster.
My name is Sean Thompson, and I'm Vice President of Production for Mobile Deluxe. We're based in Santa Monica, California, about 3 blocks from the beach, which is nice. And we've actually been around as a company for 10 years. Right now, our focus is free-to-play casual games. We're about 27 people right now, full-time and contractors, with almost all of us based here in Santa Monica. We support iOS and Android. So for Android, we support both Google Play and Amazon App Store. As far as what we do as a developer, our motto is games done right. So what we try and do is really focus on casual games that are easy to pick up, that people generally hopefully already have an idea of what the rules of it are, and it becomes intuitive pretty quickly. And what we want to do is just give the player a great experience, focus on a fantastic player experience, and do whatever we can to help them have a good time.
My name is Raj Singh. I'm co-founder and CEO of Tempo AI. We're based in Menlo Park, California. We're a spin-out of SRI International. If you're not familiar with SRI, it used to be part of Stanford Research Institute, but most recently famous for spinning out Siri. They invented the mouse, amongst a number of other things. We developed a product called Tempo Smart Calendar. Tempo effectively pulls together all the information that we think you need for your next event, and then makes it actionable. So for example, I could have a calendar event that says call with John. It tries to figure out who John is, pulls into emails that are relevant to John, may try to figure out, if I had a dinner with a buddy at some random restaurant, it'll try to pull in context about the restaurant, whatever it might be. So it tries to pull in what sorts of information that thinks it's relevant and then make it actionable. We initially targeted iPhone. And so it's iPhone today, but of course, we want to bring it to as many platforms and countries. Actually, we launched in Canada today, but for the most part, we've been US. We were US only. We only really launched about 7 weeks ago into the US. But the plan is, of course, to bring it to as many platforms and countries as we can.
Yeah, so my name's Tom. I work for SwiftKey, who are based in central London, and our key product, main product, is the SwiftKey keyboard for Android, which is one of the, I think, is the top-selling paid application of last year. So it's pretty exciting. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing day in, day out, is working on the team that develops the client app that we sell through Google Play. So in my previous job, I worked for an online grocery delivery company based in the UK called Ocado. And so I worked on their mobile team for a couple of years, and started out actually with BlackBerry for a few months, and I worked my way through some Android and iOS as well. So so that was quite a platform agnostic team. So we kind of supported 4 or 5 different apps, but a majority of the time, towards the end anyway, I was doing Android work, which is what I've kind of continued with now. But yeah, I've had a flavour of most of them.
Well, I'm Nilay Patel. I'm this co-founder and CEO of Celigy. Celigy is a mobile service for salespeople. Right? It brings together all the sources that a salesperson uses in their day on their iPhones. So, as a salesperson, you spend time in your CRM system, for example, Salesforce. You spend time in your email. You spend time in your calendar. You spend time on the internet doing searches, like for LinkedIn, for company research, for the companies you're going to visit. And there really isn't a good place for you to do all of that work and then combine that information in one place so you can constantly refer to it, right? So our platform, our cloud service, is integrating with all those different things, right? With your calendar, with your email, with your CRM, for example?
My name is George McKinney. I'm a software developer with Hookstream Incorporated Zucchini Mobile, based in Los Angeles, California. And we do mobile application development. We're cross-platform, developing for Windows Phone, BlackBerry, Android, and iOS. We also do like web applications. Actually, our origins come from doing websites and application development in that realms. But about 3 years ago, we made the transition. Started learning the different kinds of ways of building mobile apps. First, starting off with like Adobe Air's platform to do like cross-platform hybrid style applications, and then moving on to PhoneGap development in JavaScript. We also do native style development in C++, C#, or Java when necessary.